Uh-oh.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost, GT500, coming at you with another video, man. Before we dive into this video, man, please hit that like, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell notification so when I drop new videos, you can get that notification. But let's dive into this video, man. As you can see, got another package here, another part for the GT500 from J2Fabrications. This is my crank support I ordered. I've been waiting on this for a very long time. And let's go see what this bad boy looks like, man. We've been waiting for this for a long time, man. Long time. Definitely a few months for this bad boy. So let's see what we got here. As you can see, J2Fabrications always sending the boy some gummy bears whenever you order a pack. Whenever you order a part from him, man. I love that. Still sending those gummy bears, Justin. I see you. Alright, so let's get this stuff out. Let's see what we got. See, we got some hardware, some ARP lube, and some bolts. Okay, more hardware, more hardware. A lot of hardware, a lot of bubble wrap. Let's get this out of here. Get this out of here. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the good stuff. Good stuff. All right, here we go. Man, you guys really wrapped it up real good. Okay. Some stuff here. Is that it? Is that it? All right, let's get this out of here. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got. Open this bad boy up right here. Wrapped pretty good. Alright, we're almost there. Almost there. Bear with me, man. Just bear with me. This is wrapped pretty good. Slide this thing out right here. Let's get this out of here. And voila. What we have here is the J2Fabrication Gen 2 crank support for the GT500. Very nice piece, man. Very nice piece. It's made out of billet aluminum. So you can see that. Powder coated black. Very nice. Very nice. I'm going to put that right there. What's in this box here? Probably much more hardware. Like bearings. This is the mandrel. It's in this bag here. Slide this out so you guys can see that. Alright, we got the mandrel here. Put that right here. You know. And I'll show you guys the rest of this stuff. This is great piece, man. It's a real good piece right here. Okay, we got the bearing. Okay, right here. Bearings for the mandrel. Don't want to open everything up, but I'm going to show you guys some of the pieces that comes with this. All right, very nice piece here. Very nice. Let's get this a little open. But yeah, man, this is the crank support for the GT500. Alright, we'll open the rest of that, but just the rest of the hardware in this bag. Got the plates, the cover. Alright, so let's get this out of here. So anyway, back to the video, man. Back to what we're going to do, man. So this is, like I said, this is GT500 crank support. You know, this is a very good piece if you're pushing a lot of power if you have a very big supercharger and you're really spinning that supercharger, a lot of times it puts a lot of stress on your crank. So with this bracket here and the rest of the components that goes with it, it gives it some extra support, so it's not putting as much stress on your crank support. Because I've seen a lot of guys, when they go to bigger blowers and they're really starting to spin these blowers, that it rips the snout right off the crank. So, you know, I want safety first, man. I'm trying to prevent anything like that. So thanks to J2Fabrication, this will definitely help that problem. And like I said, this is the Gen 2 version. Earlier in the year, they had released a Gen 1 version. And the difference between this version, which is the Gen 2, the latest version, and the Gen 1 is, I believe, it's a lot easier if you need to do any belt maintenances, if you got to replace a belt. Compared to the Gen 1, there's a lot more components that need to come off when you want to replace your belt. Compared to the Gen 2, which is this version right here, it makes it a lot easier to change your belt. But yeah, that's what we got right here, man. And you know, another good thing is Justin over at J2Fabrication also released a video on his YouTube channel, which I will put below in the description, showing the Gen 2 and the Gen 1 crank support, and he goes over all the components, and he also shows you how to properly install these. So man, good piece, man. Definitely good piece. Shout out to Justin at J2Fabrication, the whole team, for always putting out a good product. And I got it for my GT500, man, and hopefully, you know, it helps with some of those issues that most other, you know, GT500 owners have seen with issues going to a bigger superchargers. With me, with the Gen 5, with the Whipple Gen 5, I'm definitely going to be spinning that thing as hard as we can to make as much power as we can out of that blower. So with that said, man, hopefully this helps, gives you extra protection with it. So, you know, I hope you like the video. The rest of the components, really no point in me opening it up. Like I said, I'll put the description below of Justin's video. He shows all the components. He goes over every piece and which each piece is used for. And, you know, here we got it, man. More parts of the GT500, of course. So we're just waiting on one more part after this. And we can start cranking on the GT500, man. But thank you for watching the video. Like I said, I'll put everything in the description below where to purchase these things at. And I'll check you in the next one. Peace.